Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you understanding online banking transaction limits. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now if you are trying to understand TD online banking transaction, then what you need to know is the TD bank online and wire transfer between TD to external banks is daily limit is typically $3,000 to $5,000. Monthly is often $10,000 to $25,000. Limits vary based on account type, account age, your transaction history, and external transfers may take 1 to 3 business days. Second is jail limits with TD Bank. Jail limits are lower for security reasons. Daily selling limit is usually $1,000. Weekly limit is around $5,000 and receiving limit often is higher or unlimited. Jail limits are instant and irreversible, so limits are strict. Now, in order to check your exact limits, what you need to do is simply open up the TD Bank mobile application, then select your accounts. Inside your accounts, select transfers or Zelle. Then once there, you'll find an option that says limit information. Simply tap on that, and then what you need to do is tap on limit or settings, and then you can find the limits, and limits can differ by customer. Always check inside your app. Now, if you are understanding online city banking transaction limits, then what you need to do is first understand city onlines and mobile transfers. Between city accounts or two external banks, daily transfer limit is typically $3,000 to $5,000. Monthly transfer limit is often $10,000 to $25,000, and limits depend on account type, account age, transfer history, and external transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Now, jail limits with city are stricter because transfer are instant. Daily sending limit commonly is $1,000. Weekly sending limit is around $5,000 to $10,000. Receiving limit is often high or unlimited, and jail payments are instant and typically irreversible. The next is ATM withdrawal limits. Citi applies daily ATM limits for safety. Daily ATM withdrawal limit is usually $500 to $1,500. Applies to city ATMs, non-city ATMs, and limits is set every 24 hours. Now, in order to check your city limits, so what you need to do is simply head over and open up a city mobile application, then tap on accounts. Inside accounts, select transfers, Zelle, or payments, and once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says transfer limits. Simply select that, and now you can see your personal limits as well, and your personal limits may differ from the standard amounts. Now, if you are understanding online banking or American banking transaction limits, then what you need to do here is understand online and mobile transfers. Bank of America transfer between Bank of America accounts or external banks. Daily transfer limit is typically $3,000 to $5,000. Monthly transfer limit is commonly $10,000 to $25,000, and limits depend on account type, account age, transfer history. External transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days. And the limits with Bank of America is daily setting limit is usually $25,000. Weekly setting limit is often $10,000, and receiving limit is often higher or unlimited. Then, Zelle payments are fast and usually irreversible, so always confirm the recipient. And next is ATM withdrawal limits. Bank of America sets daily ATM caps for safety. Daily ATM withdrawal limit is commonly $500 to $1,000 and applies to Bank of America ATMs and non-Bank of America ATMs. In order to check your Bank of America limits, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Bank of America application, and then tap on the accounts option and select transfers, Zelle, or bill pay. Then inside you'll find an option that says transfer limits, and then inside you'll find limits once again. Simply tap on that, and now here you'll find your limits, and your personal limits may differ from standard amounts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.